Hello viewers, I am H.L. Chopra. You are welcome to my class of the English language. If you like it, please like it. If you subscribe it, you will get my videos every time I upload them. Pronouns. This is what people often confuse them with other areas of language, that's adjectives. We are taught in our primary classes, pronouns are the words that replace nouns. For example, Alok went home because Alok was tired. So here every time Alok comes, so we replace the repeating noun Alok with the pronoun he. Alok went home because he was tired. Similarly, all personal pronouns can be used like this. These are the kinds of pronouns. You can check it: personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, and impersonal pronouns. Personal pronouns are very important. There are two types of singular and plural. And in each type, there are three persons. First person is I and we. I is singular, we is plural here. Second person is you. So you comes in both the categories, and their possessive forms are also given: mine, yours, like this. Third person, he, and there it is they. In singular it could be she also, it could it also. And then objects are given. You can study them: him, her, it, you, them. Possessive forms are given: yours, his, hers, it, yours, their. And the reflexive, where self is added as a suffix: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, this is plural, yourselves, themselves. Examples: I like pets. So I is a personal pronoun of the first person. It's a subject here. But when we say pets like me, so me becomes the object. You are going to the market, is you is subject. May I come to see you is the object. Similarly, there are the other examples. You can study yourself. Since a personal pronoun replaces a noun, it must agree in number, gender, and person. Rahul is a kind boy. He has lent his book to Shyam. Possessive pronouns, they express possessions such as mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, and its. Say he carried a book in his right hand. We wave our hands to say goodbye. My chair is in the room. Sunita keeps hers on the lawn outside. Possessive adjective, hers. It tells us more about the noun, but we will never use apostrophe with these pronouns. That is one important thing to be kept in mind. Reflexive pronoun: myself, yourself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. As I told you just now, that self is added to the pronouns to make them reflexive pronoun. Self is a suffix here. Action done by the subject turns back or reflects on the subject. When self is added to my, your, him, her, and selves in the plural form to our, your, them, we get personal pronouns, compound personal pronouns. Abbas hurt himself when he was playing football. The dog made itself comfortable under the fan. So himself, itself is there. After prepositions, it will be an exception. Personal pronouns are used, not reflexive. She took her dog with her. We cannot say herself, with her. If the subject and object of a sentence are the same people, it is necessary to use a corresponding reflexive pronoun. We got out of the swimming pool and dried us. This is an incorrect form. It will be and dried ourselves. Emphatic pronouns are used to emphasize the action of the subject. They come very close to reflexive pronoun. It looks they are reflexive, but their emphasis matters. It was that thirsty. I could drink water hot or cold. So emphasis is on the underlined words. That, hot or cold. The director himself did it for me. Meaning I didn't ask him to do it himself. She herself said so. So emphasis is the main thing here. It's a very important thing. Perhaps you may not find everywhere. This is a saying by Rudyard Kipling, 6 honest serving men. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. It is from his book Just So Stories, published in 1902. These 6 serving men, what, why, when, how, where, who, are the interrogative pronouns. What a beautiful saying that fits in the interrogative pronouns here. WH interrogative pronouns are used to begin questions and they function as pronouns. They are used in place of the noun that the question is about. Whose are used for question about persons, what about things, and which is used about a particular person or a thing. Pronouns in italics are similar to form a relative pronoun, but the work they do is different. I went to the picnic. Where did you go? I have 2 bags. Which of these is yours? Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. They point out people or objects. This and these refer to the space, means which are closer. That and those which are farther off. Look at the picture, this picture. Do you see those cars? This also refers to what is to follow. This is highlighted below. Pronouns in italics point out the objects to which they refer. They are demonstrative pronouns, and these are merely excuses. That is a red fort. Distributive pronouns refer to number of persons or things one at a time, such as each, either, neither, anyone, everyone, all. Always use singular plus singular verb. They are never used for more than 2 persons. Neither or either of the 2 persons was invited. Either of the 2 roads leads to the airport. Anyone or any to be used in speaking of more than 2 persons or things. He was more intelligent than any one of his 2 friends. I didn't write any one of the 2 books. Reciprocal pronouns are each other, one another. It indicates that 2 or more people are carrying out or have carried out in action. When we refer to 2 people, we normally use each other. In case of more than 2 people, one another is preferred. They help prevent repetition within the sentences. Sometimes we repeat, so that repetition is out. Here are the examples. We give each other presents when we meet after the vacation. The students congratulated one another for their brilliant success in exams. That makes a difference. Indefinite pronouns are one, some, anyone, someone, somebody, something, several, all, everyone, few, none, every, reference to persons or things in a general way, but not in particular. There's not anything worthwhile at the exhibition. There is someone at the door. Look, there is something in the corner. Is it your purse? No one knows where Ashmika has gone. Most of these words can be used as adjectives. Some milk was spilled. We shall go there one day. All fools are wise enough. Relative pronouns refer to or relates to a noun that has gone before it, used to join two or more sentences. Some of these are who, whom, whose, which, that, whoever, whose, whoever. It has come again. I have met the boy who has won the award. This is the book that my brother bought. So who and that has come. We use who, whom and whose when the preceding nouns are persons. These are complex sentences join two clauses. We get the adjectival clause. Meet Satpal who has topped the medical exam. So before medical, noun Satpal has come. This is the man with whom you talked on the phone. Phone. Again, a person is being referred here. When the preceding nouns are animals and inanimate objects, then which and that is used. This is the giraffe image that has ruled the internet. I have a pen that's made in Japan. That can be used for persons, animals, and things. A relative pronoun or adverb must be placed as close as possible to avoid confusion. For example, I have read a biography of Plato. Who succeeded? Socrates. Impersonal pronouns is a pronoun that does not refer to a person or a thing or any other part of the sentence such as one, they, someone, it. There is no noun reference, it is general. One must be cautious while walking in dark. It is very hot today. They say that one must not cheat others. Someone said that greed is a curse. So these are all impersonal pronouns. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. Also, you can share it. Thank you.